Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. Now I am so excited to be partnering with Every Plate to bring you this video. This is one of those meal delivery kit services that is so wonderful that our family even uses it personally. There are so many reasons why I love Every Plate, and the biggest reason of all is because it saves me time. So it saves me those trips to the grocery store. I also don't have to do any meal planning. You just go onto their website or their app and you're given so many different options of meals that you can choose from. They also give you the option of doing however many servings that you need. Our family is 4, so of course we get 4 servings with our meal kit. You also get to choose how many meals come in your kit. We usually get 3 meals a week. That saves us a whole lot of time having to figure out dinners and also do the shopping. So I wanted to show you the 3 meals that came in this week's box. The first one is super smashed burgers with caramelized onions, chipotle aioli, and carrot fries. I love their carrot fries. They turn out so yummy. There's also if I say this correctly, ponzu punch chicken stir fry with garlic rice and yum yum sauce. And the other meal that's in here is chicken sausage penne italiano with long grain peppers and parmesan. So you can see behind me all of the great ingredients that come fresh in your meal kit, and they are all on your recipe cards, and it lays out what you need for each recipe. So I think today in this video we are going to make the super smashed burgers with caramelized onions, chipotle aioli, and carrot fries. So let's get to cooking. So I usually cook a meal the first day that our box comes in. That way I can put what I don't need into the refrigerator and I keep out what I do need. And this is a look at all of the ingredients that came in this week's box. All of them are super duper fresh ingredients. You'll also need a few items from around the house like oil and ketchup, sugar, salt, and pepper. So to get started, I am taking my carrots that I went ahead and peeled and I'm slicing them into what look like fries. I'm adding them to a foil-lined baking sheet, drizzling them with some vegetable oil and also adding some salt and pepper, tossing them before I put them into the oven. Now you want to place your carrots into an oven set at 425 degrees and cook them for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you'll want to caramelize your onions while your carrots are cooking, so peel and slice them thinly. Add a drizzle to a pan that you set over medium-high heat. Add a little bit of salt and pepper and cook those for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now while our onions are cooking down, we're going to make a delicious mayonnaise mixture to go on our burgers. So you're going to add mayonnaise, chopped garlic, salt and pepper, and if you like a little spice, a pinch of the included chipotle powder, and you're just going to mix these all together. And look how yummy our onions look. We're going to add a 1/3 cup of water and 2 teaspoons of sugar to this. Mix it up and you're going to continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes until they get kind of caramelized and jammy, and then you can move it over to a bowl. And now to make our hamburger patty. So I'm just separating the 2 pounds into 1/2 pound burgers into balls that we're going to add some salt and pepper to, and then move over into a pan that we're also going to heat with a little bit of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. You're going to place those patties into your pan and then smash them down flat. You'll want to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Just about the time that my carrots were finished roasting, I was able to pull those out and then flip my burgers over so they could finish cooking on the other side. You'll also want to take your buns that are included with this meal kit and slice them in half. I also added some butter to the cut ends and added them to a pan so that they could toast a little bit. Once your buns are finished being toasted, you can go ahead and plate your meal. What I love about Every Plate is that all of their meals take only about 30 minutes to make, and they are so delicious, simple, and also budget friendly. Our family loves them, and I would highly recommend you giving them a try too. If you'd like to try Every Plate for yourself, you can use my discount code DailyDIY3, and that will get you 3 weeks of meals for only $2.99 per serving. It's an amazing and incredible deal. I'll even have a link down in the description box below that you can click to take you straight over to this promotion. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.